Yeah, so when I lost everything, moved back home, real estate is all I knew. And so I was like, well, let me get my real estate license and learn the market. And so I got my license and still wasn't really good at that either. Well, that's another story. But bottom line, I ended up starting getting listings, and I only really wanted to work with investors. So I ended up getting a four-family listing, and we just started talking. I started explaining to him all the deals I was doing and what I liked. And this was an older gentleman that just moved from Atlanta, and he had just sold a multi-unit down in Atlanta, and he was like, "Hey, I got money. I want to lend," and it was that simple. And so he lent me 200,000 at 10% interest only with 2 points, and that was the beginning of our deals. I think I did my first deal with him was all right. See you, buddy. My first deal was like a little single family house I bought for like 13,000, or I would either bought it for 7,000, all in for 13, or one or the other. And I fixed it up and sold it for 26,000 and got a tenant for it. So, that was just the beginning of the career, and I was excited, and we just kept doing more and more deals. And how I got more in private investors, I love to teach. That's my gift. That's my superhero talent, right? And so I started teaching at all the adult ed classes around here called Scarlet Oaks. And I taught all the real estate classes all over the city. And every class, I always had somebody wanting to come do a deal or lend me money or want me to represent them. And I still have those investors today, except for, well, two of them. Unfortunately, they got older and they passed away on me. But if it wasn't for that, they'd still be with me today investing.